So in this bay, what we have here is two isolated lanes that the range is segregated off about 35 feet down range. These two lanes were set up specifically for a simulation system. So if you look down range, you can see the pop outs of the armor. What we actually have down there is a swing out Lanatex curtain where it can be swung out of the way, the hard rail sections put back in, and then you can utilize this for normal full 25-yard lane shooting as well. And then this has a dimmable lighting system to be able to bring the lights down low to project images and scenarios onto that screen that are all live fire and judgment simulation training. So what we have here is a simulation system that's been added to an existing range. What we've done is we've basically taken and put in the sensor apparatus. All the cords and cabling is ran down from the computer location to this location. You have a swing out screen via this bracket here. This thing actually swings over out of the way. As you look over here, this curtain will swing right over here up against the wall and drop into this bracket for stowage, so you can actually utilize these lanes for full 25-yard fire when the simulation system's not in use.
So as we've talked about adding a separate simulation bay or system to your range, this is a good example of how this was incorporated into this 7-lane bay. Whereas they took and ran a wall down about 35 feet and made two separate bays just for the simulation system. As you can see from this shot, where we had the swing out screen that we showed you earlier, and then you have 4 more bays connecting onto this side. So this is a double purpose use, a bay where we can corridor off and use a simulation system for 2 lanes by itself, and you can run that in conjunction at the same time as you have 4 more shooters shooting just regular target with the target retrieval system in the other 4 bays, or you can open it up and use it for a total of the 6.